How to turn on off timer on Snapchat. For this, go ahead and open your Snapchat application. You can easily get it from your App Store or your Play Store. So in your right hand side, there are some of the tools you can use. However, you will find there is no timer option. In that case, go ahead and tap on the plus sign icon and there you will see the timer option. Just go ahead and tap on it. Now you can see the timer has been enabled right here. Now just go ahead and click a snap and you will see a timer working perfectly. If this feature is not available for you, you have to do the following things. Press and hold the application and go to App Info. From there, tap on Force Stop, then OK. Go to Storage and Cache. Here, tap on Clear Cache and Clear Storage. By this way, you will have to log in back to your Snapchat and you will be forcing an update as well. Open your Play Store or an App Store and search for Snapchat app. Tap on the suggestion and then if there is an update, leave it for an update. If not, uninstall the application and reinstall it once again. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.